In this video, I'm going to be reviewing the AirTag. You guys know if you lose your keys a lot, this is going to be your best friend right here. We're going to check it out. We're going to unbox it. We're going to show you guys a little demo and all that good stuff, how to set it up. So just continue watching this video. All right, you guys, this is everything that's included inside. It's just a little manual right here, different languages. And then this is the actual AirTag itself. Comes in a little trifold like so, shows you how to set it up. But this is it right here. And this is what it looks like right here, you guys. It is a nice, sleek design. I say it's around the same size as a quarter, but it is a little bit fatter than a quarter. It's probably like a stack of like 4 or 5 quarters if you're measuring it from its width. And it does look nice and sleek, like I mentioned. It does come with a little plastic that all you have to do is rip off, and then when you're ready to go, you pull this tab, because that tab has the battery in there. And what you want to do is you want to pull it, that way it has a connection to the battery. So let's look at the how to set it up one more time. It says that you need to update to the latest iOS, so make sure you do that and you turn on Bluetooth, then you could pull the tab. So here's where I'm looking at. The instructions are right here. So here's the phone that we're going to be using to connect. I do have the Bluetooth is on, the latest iOS is updated, so we are good to go. Now all we're gonna do is pull on this little tab here. You guys hear that little noise? It's trying to work. And as you guys could see down here, it's finding the AirTag. So it doesn't have to be super close, but it looks like it's already trying to find it right here. So it does say connect, so let's go ahead and connect it. And it wants us to pick a name for the AirTag. We have backpack, bike, camera, handbag, headphones, jacket, keys. That's what we're going to be using it for. Luggage, umbrella, wallet. And then you could customize the name. But we're just going to go with the keys and hit continue. Okay, so now it's telling us enable additional AirTag featured by sharing this iPhone's location. We're going to use this iPhone right here. So now it's asking us to register the AirTag with your Apple ID, and it has your phone number and it also has your email address at the bottom. Okay, and now it's setting up. This is my wife's phone, so you can see it's starting to sign in, and you just heard it right there. Okay, so now we look like we're all set up. All we have to do is view and find my app, which is right here at the bottom, but it looks like we are good to go. We got precision finding, we have play sound like you guys have been hearing, and then we even have directions in the map so we could actually find our tag. Okay, we're gonna hit view and find my app. Okay, so there's 2 things that you could do to find it. You could either go to play sound, so once you hit that, it's gonna make a sound so you could actually look for it by sound. And then the one on the right is find, and that's the one that's gonna pull up the map and it's actually gonna locate it. So if you guys wanna find it by hearing the sound, all you have to do is hit the button play sound. It's gonna play for approximately 5 seconds or so, and you can just keep hitting it until you find it. Here's what it sounds like. So now if we want to actually go into the map and find it, all we have to do is find nearby. Okay, you guys could see that it's already here. So we're right next to it, so it did find it. It is here, but I want to show you guys what it looks like when you're actually searching for the phone. We're on the move. We're on the hunt. 10 feet, 9 feet. Where is it? Is it over here? We're 5 feet from it. No, it's not over there. Oh, turn to your right. Here we go, 4 feet. We're nearby. We're close, you guys. We're close. We're nearby, and we're on it. We're on it, people. So I think overall, this is a great invention. It just helps you find your keys or whatever you attach it to. It doesn't have to be your keys. You could attach it to your wallet, whatever you guys want to attach it to. I did want to mention that this does not come with a holder. All it is it comes exactly how you guys see it here. So you guys could get a holder off of Apple, or you could get a third party. There's a bunch of third party manufacturers that are selling these. So you guys just look out for the one that you guys like. The cool thing about it is it uses a battery, so if you guys want to take the battery out, all you have to do is push down and turn counterclockwise, and just like that, you have the battery here, It's supposed to last about a whole year. It is a 3-volt. This is basically the same battery that goes inside the key fobs to unlock the cars, okay? I did want to say that if it's within 30 feet, that's where it works the best. So if you're inside the same room, like you lost your keys in the living room and you're looking for it in the living room, you're gonna probably find it because that's where it works the best, within the 30 feet. If you're in the same house, you should also be able to find it. Hey you guys, it's me from the future. I just wanted to say that I tested out the AirTag even further distance. So my wife stayed at the house. I went all the way to the gym. I asked her to check her phone to see if she could see it, and it pinpointed exactly where I was at the gym. And then I actually took it around to the stores, and on my end, it actually let me know that there was an AirTag that was following me. And I'm able to click on it, and I could see the mapping for the whole entire AirTag. So I was at the gym, I went to the stores, it has a whole entire map. So it's cool in case like somebody's trying to spy on you and you have an iPhone, it's gonna let you know and it's gonna map it out. And then it's also cool if you lose your keys or you lose whatever you have and you're the owner of that AirTag, and it actually pinpoints and tells you where it's at. So I just thought it was, it gets a 5-star from me, 5-star rating. I thought that was very excellent. And then I've been messing around with the mapping on it too to find it in like close quarters, and that also does well. So 5 stars. Let me get back to the video in my past self and continue watching. Overall, this is a great invention. I definitely recommend it, especially if you guys are always losing your things. Hope you guys enjoyed this video.